What's up, community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous, and enormous type of the video. So, guys, basically, our today topic is about the UNICH, guys. So, guys, we will explore each and everything. Make sure that you have a like, share, and subscribe my channel. And after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon. Then you will get an access of all my videos notification. And request to all guys, please watch the video till end for the better experience. So first of all, guys, here's our token unit. So guys, right now the market is not in a full bull, and honestly, and what's I personally start looking for the platform that are building quietly. So today we are exploring. Today we are talk about the units. You can why this platform caught my attention. Let me show you why this platform is amazing. So guys, basically, what is this token? This platform units, guys. So guys, basically, it's a Web3 trading platform focused on the pre-TGE token trading and staking, borrowing, and lending in all in one ecosystem. So what makes Unit different? It's not just an idea or roadmap project. The platform already a real user, real volume, and real on-chain activity. So guys, one thing I always check before covering a platform is usage. So UNICH has already more than 5 million users and more than 1 million monthly active users and $1 billion in cumulative on-chain trading volume. And this number shows that people are actually using this platform, not just talking about. So guys, what are the some of the unique features of the UNICH? Let me show you. So UNICH is especially known for its pre-market and pre-orders, just like trading features. This allows users to get exposure token before TGM without trading liquidation risks seen in leveraging trading. And for people who want structured exposure instead of high-risk speculation, this is a more interesting approach for them. So guys, let's check it out. Here is their website. You can also go and click on the trade now, and you can also check over there. We will explore each and everything about this platform. Here's guys our platform. First of all, guys, here you can check this out. 5 million plus users I already have shown you, and the trading volume, I mean the billions, 30 plus top tier partners. And here's how this platform works. Here's everything in front of you. And guys, here's their token is also going over there. You can also check them out too. And the Freedom Crypto Alliance is also available there. You can also check them out. The FAQs are also here. So guys, first of all, let's check out the UNICH token, guys. So guys, now let's talk about the UN token. This is the UNICH ecosystem token, and it's designed for long-term participation, not short-term time. So holding UN is about being a part of the ecosystem and future utility, not chasing quick pumps, guys. And always manage risk and investment responsibility. And so guys, what is security and the just you can say legitimacy? Security is another important factor. UNICH is also audited by the just like here is also audited by the soft stack, legally registered in Lithuania. Here is a stove. You can also check out. It's also audited by the soft stack. Here you can also find it out, and you can also check this out too. And this is also available there. You can also check them out as legally registered in Lithuania. You can check this out, guys. Here is our platform. UNICH is available there and integrated with well-known wallets partners. They also have their partners just like OKX wallet, OKX, Bybit, and the Fandom. This is also an amazing thing. So guys, UNICH ecosystem network is also expanding beyond trading. They are building UNICH network, a participant based on ecosystem where user and rewarded for real engagement contribution powered by the FC token, guys. And here's the this shows that UNICH is thinking long-term, not just about trading fee. So guys, why I am watching and why I am using this platform, which is also in front of you, there are several reasons, guys. So guys, I am personally watching UNICH because this already has strong adoption, the product is live and usable, and the term is building an ecosystem, not just a single failure, guys. And this is the kind of project I prefer to monitor early rather than late. So guys, this video is only for and not my financial data is only for educational purpose. Crypto also involve risk, and you should always do your own research before investing. So guys, this platform is just like amazing platform. I already have shown you everything why this platform important, what they are going to do. This is also built on the world leading OTC exchange. Their live trading is also over there. You can also connect your wallet with anybody done this platform. You can also get the 11% of them. We already have checked it out. After that, the airdrop session is also available there. You can also check it. FT points and airdrop campaigns also here. You can also check them out, the campaigns. And in the Web3's market overview, this is an exclusive over counter platform designed for trading emerging tokens before the official market debut. This platform empowers buy and sellers to set codes and execute trades at agreed upon prices. Here is everything is going on here. You can also go and check them out too, and you can also connect your wallet with this platform. So guys, if you want to explore UNICH yourself, I have added all of your link in the description, so check it out, explore the platform and decide for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. So have a great day, please keep safe and stay happy.